O humanitarismo esteve em debate no ISCSP na Jorge Dias Memorias Lecture 2019, com o antropólogo António Delori. A iniciativa, que decorreu a 21 de novembro, foi organizada pela Unidade de Coordenação de Antropologia.
It's very important, especially because we see a growing phenomenon of humanitarianism worldwide, and also, areas that before were not connected to the idea of humanitarian intervention. Today they are seen as humanitarian emergencies. And think, for example, of the issue of migration management and borders. So today we extensively talk about humanitarian borders and therefore the crisis and emergency that this in theory generate.